don't know, you know.
So hard to find my way. Now that I'm all on my own. I started just the other
Got
day.
a fuel gauge too.
You have
Look on the
grown.
side of this thing.